My name's Kanji Coder. You're on BFJ 127, 827 in the entire series. And I'm making a game engine, and I'm gonna make a game that sells 1 million copies. That's right, that's my fucking goal, and I'm gonna fucking do it. Let's review what we've changed since the previous video, but do it very quickly. Okay, so in the ArtGirl shader macros, we have a macro for unsigned 255. We're going to need that further down. And then in shader source fragment number 8, which is our bomb Sir Josh shader, within the main entry point, beneath the graph paper rendering section, within this pen on paper graph paper rendering section, right, if we have a femi tile, we want to render kind of a black and white graphic on top of our graph paper grid. Down in this section, within get femi sample, right, this is the sample point for our black and white graphic, we have done this math right here that's going to fade out our graphic. So we're getting the luminosity from our black and white graphic here, and then we're using this value called peb fade that is 0 when we're zoomed in really closely, and it's 1 when we're zoomed out. And we're going to multiply that by 128 and use this value to kind of whitewash out the femi tile value, the FATA encoded monochrome image tile. So we're going to use the FATA encoded monochrome image luminosity. We're just going to whitewash it by adding this value that is maximum 128. And then we're also going to make sure that the luminosity of this pixel from the femi tile is capped at 255, because a byte for a RGBA channel, it can't go over 255, so we're going to cap that value here. And that's all we did. That's all we did. So here's what we did previously, and then we have some footnotes and what we did in this video. And if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. Now, if you just want tech demos, you can go here. And if you want the source code, here you go. And if you want to get a hold of me, down there. Like, subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Metroidvania pocket Bomberman game with directionally exploding GoldenEye 007 style proximity mines. So if you want to see how to make a game engine, then you need to fucking like, subscribe, and follow. I'll see you in the next one.